Hi everyone, it's laundry day today again in my house, and right now I've got my microfiber cloths all in the washer. I've got a full load, so those are washing away. But once they're done, I'm going to put them in the dryer. Some people have questions whether or not you should put them in the dryer, maybe you should hang them, but it's good to put them in the dryer and dry them on hot. Yes, hot. I know normally we talk about when using the fluff and tumble dryer balls, the wool balls, people complain that there's too much static in their clothes. Well, one, they're often drying too hot. You want to have it on extra low or low, and you want to cut down the time of drying. Don't dry for an hour for a full load. Go down and check on your laundry, pull them out as needed. But try to do those two things and you'll notice that the static has decreased. That's with the fluff and tumble dryer balls. You can also put essential oils on these and put them in your laundry to help your clothes smell a little nicer. No more using dryer sheets. We know those aren't good because all those chemicals on that sheet are then going all over your clothes and then onto your skin. And another thing I'm going to talk about with the dryer is using your EnviroWand to clean out the lint trap. I hope everybody's cleaning their screen. You can see I've got stuff on the screen, so I'm going to take that and remove that, and even use this to get it out. But I'm going to put this down into the clean off all the lint off my dryer. Oof. But I'm going to put this straight down here and try to get as much lint might be stuck in there. You can see got some lint, got some dirt, some lint. So save your house, no dryer fires. Use your EnviroWand every few times you use the dryer. Keep the lint clean and use it to clean this. So that's it for today. Happy Laundry Day. Have a great day.